Alright, so we're moving out of the apartment. Figured I'd give you guys a little POV drive. Oh shit, I don't have a seatbelt. Oh, I do have a seatbelt. But yeah, so we gotta drive the car to the new place. Brakes aren't great. So I have a buddy following me about half the way there. I do want to apologize. It's been a minute since I've posted. I've had tons of stuff going on, from like bronchitis, getting sick all the time, to moving. And yeah, now we're here, so. Enjoy the ride, I guess. I'm gonna wait for my buddy. He's gonna follow me some of the way. See out of my mirror. Third gear is like kind of slow. So that's promising. Drives alright, steers alright so far. It's like the first real drive in the car. And it's just, I'm just gonna kind of take it light. I'm just trying to get from point A to point B. I'm not trying to rip on her yet. There's some things I want to replace before actually like ripping on the car. Downshift's good. Rev match is decent. Brakes are not great. Looks like we still got a little bit of a boost leak. You can hear it whistling. Definitely kind of lean, or rich smelling, I don't know. It could just be the exhaust leak that I have, I believe that I have. It's at what, 95 or 97, almost a 30-year-old car or whatever. Kind of bummed out about that boost leak still, so I might end up upgrading to a front mount intercooler soon. Not like the way my car looks. Any police? What the hell? Somebody yelling over in the gas station. A bunch of crackheads. But yeah, man, I hope I can get you guys a good YouTube video. Hope the angle's good on it. You guys can hear that squeaking sound. That's the back right, and I think think it's a bushing. Damn, this bitch stinks. I just want to get home. I also just want to listen to music, but I know I can't really do that. All the air vents. Or yeah, I guess, I don't know. I need to get a tune on this bitch. She's running right now at idle 13 to 1400 RPMs. How tiny these mirrors are, these side mirrors. They're absolutely small as hell. Holy crap, it's been forever since I've like driven an Eclipse. I had a few Eclipses in a Eagle Talent before this. They're all the 428 models, but they were rippers for sure. Sorry about the wind. I know it's not necessarily what you guys want to hear on camera, but I mean the car's not loud, and right now I'm not really going into boost, so it's not making any like cool noises. So it's not much to hear. Look decent, but honestly, like, she's doing good aside from the smell, and then like the suspension components that are kind of shit. I mean, I'm in 4th gear, it's cruising just fine, no issues, so that's cool. Love that. Like the coolant levels are doing good if the temperature's staying the same, so I wanted to replace the hoses sooner than later, because I mean a lot of like the other stuff that I replaced going in for like fuel and stuff like that were all like pretty brittle and old and cracked, dried out, so I could only assume the same for a lot of the coolant. Driving this thing, it's been like a month. Kind of neglected her, won't lie. But yeah, I don't know. to get her done this summer and stuff is no longer the plan, unfortunately. It's going to be a lot more of like a damn, that dog was just fucking pooping. That dog, I almost just took that dog out. I don't know if you guys saw that. Holy shit. He just willy-nilly running around here. Nobody's business. But yeah, it's gonna be more like a slow burn kind of build. And once I moved in and settled in, it'll probably be a couple weeks before you guys see another video. But once I'm settled in and everything, then I will get some more content going. I do want to dive back into this. I had a video I recorded, but I didn't end up getting to post it yet. But yeah, I want to get a little motorcycle because I'm going to be a lot closer to my work. And so with that being said, I'm not trying to drive a car every day to my work when it's within walking distance or so. So I want to get a bike. So there might be, if I get one in the next couple months, there might be some bike content. I hope you guys are into that. But that's like kind of like one of the goals, is to get that rolling too. That way when I don't have too much going on with the Eclipse, then I can at least still give you guys some content. So yeah, just nothing crazy. Actually, you know what, it's nothing crazy, just a good beginner bike is what I'm gonna leave it at. So, just for cruising, some light grocery pickup, you know, just some snacks and shit here and there. And for just commuting, daily commuting. So, yeah. I want to say thank you to those that stuck with me, and I appreciate you guys for watching. And yeah, I hope to bring more Eclipse 2G content to you guys soon.